Hi, this is Shahid Kapoor and you're watching me on IndiaFM.com. The film is a film for all kinds of audiences. The director wanted something which would entertain the children, and he thought that children love superheroes, and he thought that it would be funny if we could dress up as superheroes and try to save the world and end up making a fool of ourselves. It's a comic sequence. My character is called Raja. He's a thief. He choti moti choriya karta hai, and how finally he gets stuck in this huge chase for this one big diamond. There's a lot of action in the film, but it's not heavy action. There's no bloodshed. There's no gruesome scenes. It's all very glamorized. It's all action which is eye pleasing. There's a lot of stuff we've done, like jumping off the 16th floor of a building and stuff like that. I don't enjoy heights, so it was something different for me. But I mean, the director is a very dear friend, so I trusted him completely. Alan Amin is somebody I've worked with many times as an action director, and he's probably as safe as it gets when it comes to doing stunts, so I trusted him. I had quite a few scenes with Sunny sir, and it was a privilege getting to work with him. He is such a gentleman and an absolute pleasure to work with. With Vivek, I had just one scene in the film, but he's also a wonderful guy. I mean, I'm sure we'll get an opportunity to do more work in the future.
Crazy. Baby.
Well, the director has been a choreographer for so many years, so you can expect dancing.
That's right.
Viva is the kind of film which has just grown with every passing week, and I'm in awe of Mr. Suraj Bharjatia, of the kind of loyalty that he has and the audiences that he has. In a time like today, when films run in the first 4 or 5 days, that's when all the business of the film is. There's a film like Viva, which is, it's completed a silver jubilee and it's still running in theatres, and I consider myself very fortunate to be a part of such a project, and to get an opportunity to work with somebody who is so good at what he does so early in my career. There's a film with Kareena, which is a love story being directed by Imtiaz Ali. Then there is another romantic comedy I'm doing with Vidya Balan, which is directed by Aziz Mirza. And then there's a film with Bela Sehgal being produced by Sanjay Bansali. It's a no-brainer. It doesn't require you to, it's not a heavy film. It's not going to burden you down. It's an upper. After seeing the film, you kind of have a smile on your face. It's a fun roller coaster ride, and that's what the USP is, I guess.